Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Civic not starting. First, let's begin with the most common culprit, your car's battery. Ensure the battery terminals are clean and tight. Loose connections can prevent starting. Use a multimeter to check the voltage. It should read at least 12.6 volts for a healthy battery. If you hear a single click when turning the key, or if your lights are dim, it strongly suggests a battery issue. A weak battery is often the simplest fix. If your battery checks out, the next step is to inspect the starter system. The starter motor is usually found on the engine block, often near the transmission. Sometimes, a gentle tap with a hammer on the starter can free a stuck solenoid, allowing it to engage. Also, check the starter relay in your fuse box. A faulty relay can prevent power from reaching the starter. Finally, visually inspect all starter wiring for any signs of damage or loose connections. Now let's consider the fuel delivery system. First, ensure you have enough fuel in the tank. It sounds obvious, but it's a common oversight. When you turn the ignition key to the on position, listen for a 2-second hum from the rear of the car, indicating the fuel pump is priming. If you don't hear it, check the fuel pump fuse and relay in your fuse box. A clogged fuel filter can also restrict fuel flow, preventing the engine from starting. Finally, we'll investigate the ignition system to ensure your engine is getting spark. Carefully remove one spark plug, and using a spark plug tester or by grounding it safely, check for a strong blue spark when cranking the engine. If there's no spark, inspect the spark plugs themselves for wear or fouling. Also, test the ignition coil for proper resistance, as a faulty coil won't produce enough voltage. Don't forget to check the distributor cap and rotor for any cracks or corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.